Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing, specifically exploring the 7 best high-paying affiliate programs that can significantly boost your income. Imagine earning up to $1,300 per sale. Sounds enticing, right? We'll break down each program, highlighting their unique features, commission structures, and why they stand out in the crowded affiliate landscape. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this video will equip you with the knowledge to maximize your earnings. Let's get started. Program 1, ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a leading sales funnel builder designed for entrepreneurs, marketers, and businesses looking to streamline their online sales processes. With features like customizable templates and integrated payment systems, it's perfect for anyone wanting to boost conversions. Affiliates can earn up to 40% recurring commissions, making it a lucrative opportunity with significant earning potential. Many affiliates have shared success stories, claiming they've generated thousands in monthly income by promoting ClickFunnels. If you're ready to tap into this powerful program, the rewards can be substantial. Program 2, Shopify. Shopify's affiliate program is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to promote a leading e-commerce platform to online entrepreneurs. With its user-friendly interface and extensive features, Shopify empowers businesses to create stunning online stores effortlessly. Affiliates can earn up to $2,000 for each new merchant they refer, making the commission rates incredibly lucrative. Plus, Shopify provides a wealth of resources, including marketing materials, training webinars, and dedicated support, ensuring affiliates have everything they need to succeed. Join Shopify and unlock your potential in the booming e-commerce space. Program 3, Kinsta. Kinsta is a premium managed WordPress hosting provider that appeals to businesses seeking speed, security, and exceptional support. With features like automatic backups, free migrations, and a user-friendly dashboard, Kinsta is perfect for those who want a hassle-free hosting experience. Affiliates can earn up to $500 per referral, plus 10% monthly recurring commissions, making it a highly rewarding program. To promote Kinsta effectively, focus on its performance benefits and customer testimonials, and leverage social media and content marketing to reach your target audience. Start earning with Kinsta today. Program 4, Bluehost. Bluehost is a popular choice for web hosting, especially among beginners and small businesses, due to its reliable service, 24/7 support, and user-friendly interface. Affiliates can earn up to $60 per referral, with the potential for additional bonuses based on performance, making it an attractive program. To effectively market Bluehost, consider creating informative blog posts, tutorials, and comparison guides that highlight its features and benefits. Utilizing social media and email marketing can also help you reach a wider audience and drive conversions. Join Bluehost and start earning today. Program 5, Teachable. Teachable's affiliate program is perfect for those looking to tap into the booming online education market, which continues to grow as more people seek to learn new skills. Affiliates can earn a generous 30% commission on each sale, with the potential for significant earnings as course creators thrive on the platform. To effectively market Teachable, focus on creating valuable content that showcases the benefits of online courses, such as blog posts, webinars, and social media campaigns. Highlight success stories from course creators to inspire your audience and drive conversions. Program 6, SEMrush. SEMrush is a leading digital marketing tool that empowers businesses to enhance their SEO strategies and online visibility. In today's competitive landscape, having the right tools for keyword research, site audits, and competitor analysis is crucial for success. Affiliates can earn up to 40% recurring commissions, with potential earnings increasing as you grow your referrals. To effectively promote SEMrush, create informative content like tutorials, case studies, and comparison articles that demonstrate its value. Engaging your audience through webinars and social media can also drive interest and conversions. Program 7, Aweber. Aweber is a powerful email marketing service that helps businesses connect with their audience and drive conversions. Email marketing remains one of the most effective channels for nurturing leads and building customer relationships. Affiliates affiliates can earn a 30% recurring commission for every customer they refer, providing a steady income stream as long as those customers remain subscribed. To promote Aweber effectively, create engaging content that highlights its features, such as automation and analytics. Utilize email campaigns, social media, and webinars to showcase success stories and demonstrate the platform's value. Conclusion. In today's video, we explored 7 high-paying affiliate programs, including ClickFunnels, Shopify, Kinsta, Bluehost, Teachable, SEMrush, and Aweber. Each program offers unique benefits and the potential to earn impressive commissions, with some reaching up to $1,300 per sale, whether you're an experienced marketer or just starting. These opportunities can significantly boost your income. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more insightful content on affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching and happy earning.
With the tips, yes, get that cash. Money making secrets, got a dash. Tune in next time, you'll see the flash.